Welcome again. So in the last video we see what is Dartpad. Dartpad is nothing but a online web compiler for Dart language. Okay, now what do we mean by compiler is later explained in the same video, in this video. So for basic setup we have to remove these three lines. This code will be provided to everyone in the very first case. Okay, we have to erase it all. We have to just keep void main opening closing parenthesis opening closing curly braces. Okay, now whatever we type inside this I will explain what is void, what is main later, because it has some significance which is related to better knowledge of programming language than we have in this stage. So just for now assume that whatever the code we are going to write, we have to write it inside this curly braces. Okay, inside these red curly braces. So first thing first, we will gonna tell our computer, our hardware, to print a single statement, a English statement, PR. So what do we have to do for that is write print, then shift and 9, press shift and 9, opening and closing curly braces will automatically come, and followed by a semicolon. You always have to put a semicolon after every statement of your code to tell the compiler that this statement has been ended. Now what is compiler? Again I said that I will tell later on. Now inside the parenthesis put a double inverted comma, and inside it write hello world. Hello world. Let's hi the world of programming, and then hit this run button, and within a minute, not a minute exactly, within a few seconds you will see the output that we have successfully told our hardware, our laptop or PC, to print this statement which is included in the double inverted commas. Okay, now if I have to change it, and let's say I want to say hello I am Abby, and I hit run, it will tell the computer to print this statement, hello I am Abby. See, so why do we have to write all this extra stuff rather than hello I am Abby? That is because Dart has some set of rules, has some set instructions which we have to follow. One such is syntax of the programming language. What do you mean by syntax? Syntax is the way of writing the code. Okay, we necessarily have to include this void main function followed by a opening and closing curly braces, and inside that only we have to write our working code. Okay, this is our single line code. If we have to print anything, if we have to print this hello I am Abby string, you can write your own name. Then I have to write this keyword print necessarily and include this hello I am Abby statement into this opening and closing parenthesis, also inside this opening closing double braces followed by a semicolon. So this way of writing is nothing but a set of rules which are instructed by Dart programming language creators, and this is a syntax which we have to follow. Now if we have to again let's say print another statement in the next line, then after the semicolon put a second print statement with double inverted commas, and let's say we type the last hello world with an exclamation mark now and a semicolon. Don't forget to put the semicolon, and run. Okay, after running you can see both the statements in this console. So that's our output here, and this is what we gave in input, our code in input, and this is something our output, okay, in the console. Now I mentioned a word compiler. What compiler exactly is? Now we know, while studying this language, let's take an analogy to studying English language. In English we have letters A, B, C, D. Similarly, in that language we have some set of words, okay. In English, through A, B, C, D, we compose some words. Using those words we compose statements. Using statements we compose paragraphs, and then we compose the content, the blog, or whatever it is. So in the similar steps, in Dart language there are some building blocks, which are keywords, keywords and syntax, which we have to follow. Like in English we have to write, if we have to say A, okay, if you have to symbolize a vowel A, then we have a specific way of writing it, right? So similarly we have a specific way of writing a program in Dart language or in any other language. So what compiler do is, Dart programming language is human readable, okay. In the due course of learning this Dart, we learn how to communicate with computer through Dart programming language. So similarly we learned from our childhood how to communicate with others in English or in your native language or in your mother tongue, okay. So here through Dart we are learning how to communicate with the computer with Dart programming language. So this is human readable language. In earlier, like we can say ancient times of computers, the hardware was not so developed, and we have to explicitly, hardware and software both were not so developed, and we explicitly have to write a 8-digit combination of zeros and ones just to print a single A letter, and that too different for small a and capital A. So it was a very tedious work. So there had been an evolution in software industry, in the computer industry, IT industry, and with the due course of time the softwares were developed which convert this human readable language into machine readable language, and those softwares were simply called as compilers. So this language first goes through compiler to convert into machine language, and then and then we can communicate with the machine in terms of zeros and ones, okay. So that's it for this video, and I hope it's not too much to grasp at the first go. Thank you.